They are freeing the prisoners. So they are freeing the prisoners. So where you won't go?
Where are you going to?
You know see this one. You know they are freeing the prisoners. So they broke their prison. So.
Wait, the prisoners don't come out.
Oh boy, they free the prisoners. So. See.
Which will they up there?
They also open the roof now. Oh boy. The prisoners are out. Oh, but they free the prisoners. So.
But me, I like this one.
I was just wondering. What are they still waiting for? You know how that thing
Nah, see the bus, but when I say the bus pass.
They shoot. See the bus. They shoot.
They shoot now. Come on, they open fire on them. They came back again. They open fire on these people that are trying to free the prisoners.
Oh boy.
Prisoners. Oh boy. Stray bullets was there today.
Oh boy.
Omo, like this, they don't bust Edo State prison, no. Don't be White House now.
Yes, now.
They don't bust White House. See prisoners, they run. Freedom.
I salute you now.
You prisoner too?
Yes.
Freedom.
Yeah, detain me.
Serious?
Unlawful detention. I give my pay money, they go to no friend.
Yeah.
I know that there. He shop money.
Yeah.
He shop money.
Yeah.
Inspector Dele.
Yeah.
Dele shop money, not go investigate me. He remained me go prison 2 years plus. I just as I wait to trial. Men not worry, God.
Say prisoners, say prisoners, say prisoners, say all of them. Say prisoners, say prisoners. All prisoners are free. You are free.
You are free.
Don't free prisoners. Wait, don't fight. Prisoners out. Yes, now you stay inside prison 4 years. 4 years. 4 years, now you stay inside prison. God bless you now. God bless you now.
Prisoners, they come on left for the red. They never see anything. Left for the red. Prisoners, they come out for White House. Prisoners, they come out for White House. Left for the red. Oh, left for the red. Left for the red. Prisoners, they fall out. Prisoners, they fall out. They fall out left for the
Since 2016, what do you do?
I'm not doing anything. I found my farm for village. They go arrest me, president. They go arrest me. They put allegation for me. I say I keep us okay, and I not do anything. Now they put me for 62 now. No court, nothing. Now me the support, they can no visit.
Today you are free. Now Benin you, that's the way you go. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Yeah, you.
Freedom. All prisoners must go. Freedom. 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 Prisoners. Now Benin the runner. Operation go. Freedom. 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 Prisoners. This is Benin prison. Sapler Road. Thank you. Freedom. Freedom.
All the police station.
The prisoners to call out. We need the freedom. Come on. Yeah, call out. All the prisoners to come out. Yes, we need freedom. Yeah, come out. Freedom.
Yeah, freedom.
La moto. No be moto, na gun. They are shooting, you can imagine. They are shooting the prisoners. We now agree. We now go agree. Look at. They are shooting. Everybody should come out. They are shooting. More rush that guy now. More rush that guy. More rush that guy. Hey! Let's rush him. More rush him. He wants to shoot. They shoot direct. They shoot direct. They shoot direct. Direct they shoot. We now agree. We must release the people in this prison yard. More go on with that too. Huh? They shoot going, they shoot. Oh yeah, I'm going to go pursue her, yes. We now agree freedom. Freedom for the prisoner. Freedom. Yes, freedom. We now agree. Let them shoot, let them shoot. No, go the fast. No, go the fast. Freedom. Freedom! Freedom! We need freedom! Prisoners should release! Come on! Yes, sir. Lola, come outside!
Free the prisoners! 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 Now we may go boss prison, so now we may go free people. Nigeria will be child play again, no. Nigeria will be child play again. Eh? They say release. Eh? But they don't free you now. Thank God for you. Thank God for you. Now we may do the job. Thank God for you. Correct guys. Correct guys. That one. Now how they go put us for prison? Okay,